How you doing, Divine Collective? Trying to get grounded. Something I suggest for everybody. Get outside and, touch the ground. Breathe some of that beautiful fresh air. And just enjoy your day. Stay calm and enjoy the peace and calm that's around you. Become a part of it. And just understand that every time we experience nature, we experience ourselves. So we invite nature inside, and that's animals, trees, just all of it. The dirt, the ground. Just remember, nature is beautiful. Talk to you soon. Love and light. God is so peaceful out here.